Assalamualaikum all my lovely friends and families. Welcome to Taste of the Pana channel. Today we're gonna see how to cook a Middle East famous dish, Shakshuka. It is pretty similar to Turkish Menemen. Yes, it is very easy to make and you can prepare this within just 5 minutes. Now let's see the recipe. Before that, subscribe our channel. After you subscribe, press the notification bell icon. It will notify you and once I uploaded any updates in our Taste of the Pana channel.
First, heat oil in a pan. Once the oil gets heated, add the onion, and here I am adding one onion. And if you like to get some garlic flavor in the shakshuka, you can also add some garlic at this stage. After that, add the red pepper and saute this for 2 minutes in medium flame. After that, add tomato puree, and here I am adding 2 tomatoes puree. Now let it to boil until the raw smell goes off. And now add 1 tablespoon tomato paste and mix it well. And now add some salt, some pepper and some cumin powder. After it gets the sauce consistency, add the eggs, and here I am adding 4 eggs. Now close with the lid and cook this for 3 minutes in medium flame. After 3 minutes, open the lid and add some coriander leaves, and now our shakshuka is ready.
You can serve this shakshuka as a breakfast, brunch or lunch or dinner whenever you like, and you can serve this with roti or chapathi or bread. And if you like the video, press the like button and share the recipe with your friends and families. If you have any comments, leave your comments in the comment section below. See you all next time with another recipe. Until then, take care. Masalama.